Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today I am going to share how to make whole wheat bread at your home. This is one of the best, healthier breakfast option in your busy mornings. It will provide sustained energy throughout your day. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Take half cup of lukewarm water into a bowl. Then add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Mix it well until the sugar dissolves completely. Now add half tablespoon of dry yeast. Mix it well again until the yeast dissolves completely. Now cover it with a wrap and keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the wrap. See here, the yeast activates like this. Now add 2.5 cups of Kapli whole wheat flour. Mix it gradually. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it again. Now add some water into it. Mix it once. Add some more water. Mix it again. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now knead it very well into a soft dough. Fold it and press it very well. This dough seems to be a little bit sticky. Sprinkle some whole wheat flour. Hold it and press it very well a couple of times. Make the dough like this and apply some butter on it. Cover it with a wrap. Now keep this dough aside for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, the dough rises and gets double in size. Press the dough to release the air bubbles. Mix this dough once thoroughly. Now apply half tablespoon of oil to it. Press it and fold it well 2 to 3 times continuously. Now roll it and make it into a cylindrical shape like this. Now grease the baking tray with some oil. Now place the dough into it and press it lightly. Now sprinkle some flax seeds and some sesame seeds. Cover it with a wrap loosely and allow it to sit for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the wrap. See, the dough rises double in size. Now preheat the pan for 10 minutes on a medium-low flame. Place the baking tray into it. Close it with a lid and bake it for 30 to 45 minutes on a medium-low flame. After 45 minutes, see, our bread is ready. Now take it out with a napkin. Apply some butter on top of it. Cover it with a napkin and let it cool down completely. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the napkin. Now make the baking tray upside down and tap on top of it. Now remove the tray. Our bread came out perfectly. Now cut the bread into thin slices. Our healthy homemade whole wheat bread is ready to use. You can make healthy sandwiches and toasts with this bread in more tasty and healthier way. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, Share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.